Alright, hello everyone. My name is Ryan Baxter, and today I was going to talk a little bit about a tool for Eclipse called Window Builder Pro. And Mikkel and I had talked a little bit about Window Builder Pro during our Jumpstart at Logosphere 2011, but I thought I would create a video about it so everyone can go back and reference it when they're using the tool. So Window Builder Pro is a free plugin that you can download from Google and install into Eclipse, and what it allows you to do is basically build SWT UIs for your plugins using a WYSIWYG tool. So if anyone has ever built SWT UIs for plugins before by hand, you know it can be a little bit painful and actually end up being a lot of code. But the WYSIWYG editor just allows you to drag and drop things onto the screen, and the code it produces after you're done is fairly easy to read and understand, and go back and modify if you have to. So if you Google Window Builder Pro, you'll come to this site here. They have a lot of great information, some tutorials and stuff, which I suggest everyone reads if you're going to be using the tool. But what I'm going to show you today in this video is just how to install it. So if you go to the downloads page, you can see here there's an update site for Eclipse 3.6, 3.5, and 3.4. I have 3.4 installed on my machine for notes development, so I'm going to install that one. So I'll copy this update site URL here, go to Eclipse. In Eclipse you can go to Help, Software Updates, and find and install. Installing the Window Builder Pro is pretty much the same as installing any other plugin inside Eclipse. So you just go to search for new features to install, select next. You want to select new remote site since it's just a URL, and we're going to give it a name, so we'll call it Window Builder Pro, and just paste the URL we copied from the web page in here. Click OK. I'll just make sure Window Builder Pro is checked off because that's the update site I want to check, and click Finish. So Eclipse will go out and figure out what features are available to install. So if you expand this, you can see there are a number of different features to install for Window Builder Pro. We won't be using it for GWT design at all, so I'm not going to select that one. But we are going to be using SWT, and we need to select the required feature as well. But we also need this swing feature because there's a dependency on that as well. So just select these three features, and then all you have to do is click Next, accept the license agreement, click Next again, and you're finally ready to install, so just click Finish. And Eclipse will download everything and install it, and once it is done downloading and installing, done downloading, and it will prompt you to install. Make sure you want to install all the features again, and you can just click Install after that. So we'll wait for Eclipse to download here. Okay, so it's just going to make sure we want to install all these features, so we can just click Install All, and then it will install everything into the platform, and after it's done, just ask you if you want to restart Eclipse, so we'll select Yes. So Eclipse should pop back up here and prompt us for our workspace, and then I'm just going to click OK. And that's all there is to it, and now we have it installed. So part 2 of this tutorial will be actually using the features.